Alright everyone, so we just took off this headlight. Kind of weird, but they did need a LED conversion. Took it off. It's gonna get resanded and recoated. This is gonna get fixed. It was a mission. We got the front bumper right there. So yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. We're gonna pull this frame right here. We're gonna pull it this way. Overall, it looks like the bash bar is okay, but we'll see more damage. All right, everyone. So both headlights are out already. Sorry if it's really loud. They have the fan on. Overall, the damage doesn't look that bad. This looks perfect. Over here, this is weird, bro. Like, come on. Like, what the hell? Like, really? Look at that. I don't know what this boy hit, but the frame is not. This is not damaged. I had a lot of Bondo, but it's gonna get repainted by the shop I'm at right now for dirt cheap. Alright everyone, so now I'll show you what I gotta do now. I gotta take all these screws up for this bumper. This bumper is a two-piece front bumper, and it's gonna get painted tomorrow. So it looks pretty good. Next I gotta take off that. All this right here, gotta take it off, except for the exhaust. And that's pretty much it. Looks beautiful. Can't wait for the new paint. Everyone, I took apart the front bumper. Here it is. Tomorrow's getting ready for paint. Alright everyone, here's the new front bumper with the color. Kind of the color. This is it's a two-piece bumper. Check that out. What a beautiful color. And look at the spoiler. So this is a GTR color and a Nissan color, OAM, called Deep Pearl Blue. Check that out. The side skirt still hasn't been painted. So here's a side skirt I picked up yesterday for 150 bucks. You can't beat that price. Check that out. 150 bucks this side skirt. It is damaged here, but that's for the car being too low. Beautiful. And also check this rim out. It got destroyed here. This is a brand new tire. It got destroyed. This is all from rubbing. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna install these parts right now. The car is literally behind this wall, so wish me luck. I'll keep you updated. Alright everyone, so I'm gonna be starting to sand these headlights. And tomorrow they're gonna do the body work right here and try to fix this door, because this door, as you can see, is not closed all the way. So I'll let you know, I'll update you. Well, I did get the bumper done. The bumper is done now. I'm back together. So yep, looks pretty nice. Hey everyone, sorry about the fan. I'm at the shop right now. As you see, I sanded out the lights. I am using 600 grit with an air gun, and then I'm gonna use 1,500 grit by hand next. So I just have this part right here to do left, and yeah, that should be it. When this one is done, I'm gonna give it to the guy that's gonna clear coat it right now, and then yeah, so I'll show you when it's called cleared coat. It looks pretty good. Everyone, both of the headlights are sanded now. Here we are. So the painter is gonna be clear coating them. So I did most of the work, basically all the work, and it's getting clear coated for free. This is my shop, the paint booth. Got back bumper there, and this is where the magic happens over here. This is where it's gonna be painted right here. There's the gun and everything. So So if you guys love how the way the shop looks and all that shit, the shop is called Auto Perfection. This is where I get all my work done. I own the shop. Well, I don't own it. My dad is one of the managers for the paint shop. But Auto Perfection is the shop that I always go for my custom cars and all that. Very good work. So yeah. Alright everyone, sorry for the noise. As you can see, the bodywork, check this out, already done. Both fenders are fixed. The car is fully sanded, except for the roof. I am not painting the roof. The new side skirt is on. Check that out. Oh, I need to sand this. That's the next last thing. Back bumper is done. And I gotta sand this, and that's pretty much it. This car is done. It's gonna be ready for paint. So I'll get back to you when this is sanded. Alright everyone, I'm gonna be putting on the front bumper now on the 370Z. So yeah, I'll get back to you when it's done, actually, to be honest. Alright everyone, here's the front bumper. We're gonna see if we can put it on. We're having trouble. This light right here keeps hitting it, even though everything's aligned perfectly. I don't know what's going on. Here it is cracked, but this whole thing's gonna get fixed anyways on the car. So probably next time you see me back on here, the front bumper should be on the Z. So yeah. Alright everyone, so I got one side on. Now I gotta get the other side on. Just gotta bolt it up, that's it. And it is ready to be painted. Just like that. Everyone, check this out. So I sanded down the doors. The doors are sanded now. The pillar is sanded. This is all sanded right here. Gonna go all repainted. And then I sanded the trunk. So I'll open the trunk for you. It's all sanded. All the way. Oh, now they're too loud. This side is also sanded. And it also came with a GPS tracker. I don't know if that's from the dealership, since this car is from the dealership. And then I just need 2 more screws on the front bumper. That's it. Looks already pretty good. So yeah, it's gonna get its paint pretty soon. So everyone, the glass shattered. Like you can see, the glass exploded. So we got it high, and then we shifted it, and we were tightening it, and it snapped. So I already have another one coming already. So yeah, shout out to Miami Auto Sales for this right here. Came in clutch. $80 for a 370Z passenger side window. And as well, I also got a tweeter because mine blew out. So I'm gonna be replacing this as well. But Miami Fine Auto Sales, look them up. They have an eBay. All they do is part out 370Zs, Q50s. I have a card. I put a picture here but with their card, but hit them up, man. They're a lifesaver. Everyone, the car's gonna get painted right now. We're gonna do the door jams. As you can see, this part, this part. Everyone, the door jams are done. As you can see, it's already prepped. Everything's good. We're gonna be painting all this right here. You already know. I don't need to go over it again. So yeah, door jams look perfect. I think he's gonna be painting this one. I don't know, like kind of like that. Roof is good. Check it out. I just need to rescrew this bumper. I didn't get the chance last time, and they're gonna be fixing this right here, a crack right here, a crack right there, that right there. Engine looks pretty good. I'm gonna get the new rims put on tomorrow, so I should be getting the car, if not tomorrow, probably Sunday. And this car is gonna be in clean culture, everyone, so you will see this car in clean culture. I mean, not clean culture, low and clean. So just be prepared. This is gonna be the hardest Z in Kendall. Check that shit out. Maybe to zoom out a bit. There we go. Look at that color, everyone.